Alright, check it out. Ford Fusion cable shifter linkage bushing keeps popping off. I replaced it with this one, the old one right here. That's the old one. Anyway, this one, I tried this one. I came with an orange one. It did not work. So don't do that one. What else? The one I did try, that's on there now, is 14055, the clear one, obviously. I got it at Advanced Autos. And it was working because I cut it. I made a splice in it, cut it to fit, but it kept popping out. So this new one that I have in there, I didn't cut or anything. It pops in and out. Like so. Seems kind of easy, so I don't know if it's gonna work. I had to remove my battery. Not my battery. My airbox. Goes here. You just unscrew this guy, and then this guy pops off. And then you should be able to pull up on it. And it pops up from there, and then you get to go. Alright. Okay, now that I got my airbox on, cover back on, my airflow, whatever you want to call it, back on. It's loose because I want to make sure it doesn't pop off. Let's see. That should be good. Starts up, it's good. Off to a good start. Okay. Still on there. Got my e-brake on just in case. Yeah, it's good. Alright, she's still up. Good to go. Oh, shit. See if you can see it. It's loose, but it's still on there. That's all the way down.